Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preserving state. Backup configs, player databases, and logs so you can restore if something breaks. Once done, verify admin access. SSH keys, credentials, and 2FA must work because you cannot proceed without them. Make sure to announce the maintenance window to players and post a rollback plan so expectations are clear. This prevents data loss and reduces support tickets, while you change the server environment for the last war deployment. You now perform the core migration. Provision the new server image matching runtime and OS packages so behavior stays consistent. Then transfer game assets and databases using transaction-safe tools like rsync for files and pgdump/psql, or similar for DBs to avoid corruption. Once synced and validated, perform a blue-green or rolling update at the load balancer level to move traffic without downtime. Make sure health checks pass before shifting all players to the new. You finish by validating gameplay. Run full playthrough tests, check player inventories, match state, and persistence to ensure the last war behaves identically. Next, monitor metrics like latency, packet loss, and error rates for at least one full peak cycle. Make sure alerts are visible and a rollback is ready. If you encounter data inconsistency or crashes, restore from backups and revert DNS immediately, then communicate the issue and IDA to players. This minimizes impact and preserves trust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.